Alright, so here we are with a tutorial for a proper Turkish get-up. So I'll start with the dumbbell in my left hand. And with this, I'm going to have the left knee up as well. I'm going to push nice and tall throughout the shoulders, so notice how the weight is going to lift. So I'm protracting. The hand will be off to the side at a 45-degree angle, so not by the hip or straight to the side, but somewhere in between. While pushing tall, I'm going to engage the core to roll to the elbow. So now I'm going to cross my midline, still pushing. Then I'm going to post onto the hand, reverse plank, still pushing nice and tall, even through the arm that's supporting up to the ground. Swing the leg through, and I'm trying to then make sure that the foot or lower leg is parallel. So don't have it rotated in. Here, tuck the toes under, keep on pushing tall through the shoulder, bicep to the ear, and then pushing up. While doing this, try to make sure that you're looking at the weight the entire time so you can help with the stability. As you drop back down, your leg is still parallel. Try not to let it rotate in. Drop down to the hand, push tall through the shoulder, keeping the core engaged. Drop down to the elbow. Nice slow lower down, keeping the core engaged, protracting through the shoulder the entire time, and then down. So try to do as many repetitions as you can, or go for time before you switch off to the other side, or you can alternate. And that's it. That's your tutorial for a Turkish get-up. If you have any questions or concerns, let us know. Thanks.